Okay, good day, good day. Let's see here. Boom, boom, boom. I just want to see everybody here. There's going to be big news today. Big, big news. So, we are going to play it easy. And I'll be live again here tonight at around 1 p.m. I mean 1 a.m. tonight. Right at the Fed meeting. But for now, let's see if we can actually sculpt some profit off of this bounce at around 75. If I saw actually, I came in a little too late. There is already, an opportunity right here at around like 76.5. I would have get at 77. Right now, I would make a profit about 100 points, but I will. I still feel like the warrant's still gonna come at around 8 p.m. So I'll wait around and see if I actually have an opportunity to run it. The one that I kind of miss out on is this one. The oil price is actually forming a really nice bull flag here, forming a really good uptrend. And then once it broke, I didn't get it at 70.21, but it already shoot up to like 70.40. So if anybody want to try to get in on this, I suggest that you wait for the drop to around 70.20 again, and maybe we could have some opportunity to play there. We might be playing oil instead of gold today because right now gold movement is, well, to say that it has been slow would be an understatement. It is very, very slow. So let's uh, let's see what happening right now. Bitcoin fall down below 60,000 again, but it already moved like about 5,000 point from the low. So if you took a 1 hour shot here, it already moved like more than 5,000 point from the low here. The lowest would be around 54,000, and it already moved up to like 60, almost 61,000. So that's about 7,000 point move. I would say that is already making an uptrend upward, and my target would be at around 64,000. So, well, in this case anyway. But let's look something. Let's look at some other cryptos here. Um, the this looks really good for the Ethereum. Ethereum is just kind of hang out here around 2300, and I would say this is the best price to buy in because you're gonna have risk of only like a couple hundred points, and a reward is significant because the sky's the limit once the uptrend happens. And besides that, when I actually draw this down right here, let me just take this out for a minute. When I draw this down right here, the uptrend, it came down, can't go past this point at 2260. Sorry, $2,260. It can't go past this and forming a really nice base of support. So I'm actually looking to get in on this, and possibly with the news today, it gonna flew sky high. So if you don't have any crypto on hand, I would say Ethereum would be the best buying price right now. Okay. Now let's go back to scalping because like today is all about winning streak, and I am ready to scalp before the market started. And look at this. Today it just been nothing. There's been nothing going on. And if we take a look here, well, there was an opportunity here before. However, I am looking at this new opportunity of being lead test buy at around 76, 25.76. If there is another buy signal, long signal right here, I'm interested in it, definitely. But that's pretty much it. So, how are you guys? I hope the signal is going okay because I'm actually in another place right now and it looks pretty good. Perfect. All right. Oh, excuse me. Now, I would say that right here is still a little bit dangerous to play. And gonna be honest, everybody is waiting on the news. Everybody waiting on the big news at 1 a.m. today. So that's another, well, at least 6 hours. So we, to get an opportunity, I mean, we already missed the opportunity at around 77. It could possibly go up to 80. I don't know. I'm still kind of skeptical about it going up to 80. I still inclined to think that it's gonna go sideways between 80 down all the way to around 70. So if it being like this, like between 80 and 70, I don't know how far it will go up. I don't know how low it will go down. So we'll just see the reaction on price action before we actually get into it, any of these markets. All right, and let's see here. Yeah, I don't know what's happening here, but I don't see any comments so far. Yeah, I just gonna click my own like here. But I don't see any comments right now, so um, hmm, not too sure what's happening. Let me just I'm gonna try a few out just to see if the comment is coming true, because I seem to have a few problems with this. Right now, gold is breaking out. Oh, okay, perfect. So that thing is coming in. Things looking good. Yeah, I think I should have some background going on over here. Right now, just pretty much an empty room right now. But I'll have some more stuff coming in. Now, that that's settled, we're going to. All right, here we go. It's coming down. As long as this drop right here cannot go past the 75, I am waiting for another long signal, and I think we might have an order right here. We're just gonna play a really, really short, really quick entry and exit because I don't think I want to stick around too long. especially in the day like today. I just want to get in, get out, get my quick money. Might be only 100, you know, uh, like 100 points or so, but we'll see. We'll see right now. I'm not looking to get like a full 300 points target profit for today. I'll see the reaction right here. Might get it on this 25.77. Let me take a look. Yeah, this is looking really good for entry right now. Things are looking strong. As long as it doesn't break, it would be good. Just need a confirmation on the entry before we enter it. And I'm waiting for more confirmation order. Here we go. Here we go. That's the signal buy. I want to signal long as well. Looking really good so far right here for me to enter a buying position. Here's the long signal. Wait for drop at 76.5. I will get in on it. Here's a drop. Can I get 76.5? And here we go. All right. I enter it. I enter already right here. I enter my buy position already. And at around 53. And I gotta have my target at, I'm just gonna go for like 200 on this one, just because I don't think that we're gonna reach all the way to 300 points. But if it spike up really hard, I might just go for that 300 points for sure. So I'll set for 200 for now, and we'll see how it goes. Right now I already set my buying position right here, making it 200, just because I have no idea if we're gonna go up all the way to 300 yet, but Oh, wow, the spikes is looking really good. 76.50. That's what I got right here. Perfect. All right, now we just. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, we might get 300 after all. Okay, I'll move it. I'll move this up to 300 points now. Just because of that spikes. Oh, almost did do it in time. Here's the spike. So I move my target profit up to 300 points because it is spiking up right now, really hard. And let's see if it's gonna do what I expect it to do because things has been all met in my condition. We have the break of structure. We have the long signal that is close to the tunnel line, cannot break the tunnel line, and we decided to get in on the 76.5 because we want to make sure that that's both the buy and the long signal right here, and just basically all confirm that it wants to move up at least up to the 78.5. So we get the 200 points. But with a huge move like this, it could possibly go through all the way to 79.50 right before the 80 break. So let's finger cross and hope that will happen. I am playing right before the news right now, so it is a little dangerous to playing before the news, but I am thinking that the trend will hold, that it wants to move up. And right now, it looks like the breakout happens already. Things are looking like it's going to be sideways up, and it um, be more inclined to think that it's going to reach that 2580 again. So this should go up according to plan, but if it doesn't, then it doesn't. Like I said, I want more than 50% of win rate, and that's all it takes to grow my account from $1,000 to $3,000. But whatever happened, I accept it, and the price is already set. So basically, all we can do is finger cross. So let's go. Right now, just leave it to chance. Not gonna be waiting around more than probably 8 or 9 p.m. before we know what will happen. Shouldn't wait more than 15 to 30 minutes here. So let's go. Let's make sure things are recorded and go, 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 go. Here we go. Here we go. Nope, not yet, not yet, not yet. This will result in like less than 10 minutes. Whether it go up, go down, I don't know. Nobody knows. And here's the thing: if we are seeing this as lower high, yeah, we could actually draw this as lower high as well. So we're still waiting for it to break over the high here at 78 before we confidence that it wants to move up. And this drop doesn't help. All right. My friend would be like, I'm stopping out already. Yeah, yeah, because we are playing with the trend, but however, right now it looks like that's gonna be a sideways day, and I might get stopped out on this one because I choose to play with the trend, and doesn't look good at all. If it got below like 75.5 right now, I might consider closing it. Just close like about 100 points, but I am still gonna wait. I still have a high hope for this one. It just need to coming back up and break that 78. If it breaks 75, and especially if it breaks really quick, I will be stopping out. Like no question asked. Here we go. Yep. I think at the end of this candle, we will know whether we want to close at a loss or not. Because if it did break, but if it sucked all the way back up and going through that 77 again, then I can wait for it a little bit more or not. Right now, it's just showing me the red, big two red candle right now. Let's wait and see if it can bouncing back up. Let's see. I want to see if it can bounce back up because right now it's just been pretty much sideways down, not really making like a huge move down yet. So this is a 76. Let's see if it can go past it. If it cannot, then that's pretty much it for this trade, and we'll look for another opportunities. But it does look good from where we entered, though. So we'll see. Right now, it doesn't look too good. Gotta be honest. Right now, it doesn't look too good. But at this time, I was just almost certain that we're gonna hit our target until um, it just have this one big drop, and now I have no idea what's gonna happen. So just leave it to chance. Right now, if it come down below 75.5 again, I'll think that I will be closing it. Yeah, right now, about to reach 75.5. It reaches it. Can it break? Doesn't seem like it wants to break. Doesn't seem like it wants to break. Starting to go back up. Nope, not yet. Yes, yes, right here. All right, another long signal coming in. Let's see if we have the drive to go all the way up to that 78.5. If not, then it's come down. That's it. It's just as simple as that. Like if there's not enough strength, then it come down. If there's more enough strength, then it go up. When we trade, we only want to trade when we know what might happen. And right now, if I were not to have any order right now, I would not be in the trade. So anybody who come in and asks, "Hey, like, can we enter now because you already enter a long position?" I would tell my students say that right now you could enter at your own risk, but I don't have high hope right now that it will go up just because right now it's starting to stay under the EF tunnel line, and unless it go back up, I don't have a high hope for this hitting my target profit like I do when I enter it. But it's still within my belief that it should hit my target points. Now, if however if it does bounce up going up to 76.5 and breaking 77, I was like, I would be like, yep, go in. It's not too late. You could scalp another 100 to 200 points from there. So that's the thing. That's the thing about playing in this game, in this market, is that you always want to play in your favor. And if it doesn't look like it's gonna be in your favor, don't enter the trade, even if the price is better than the price of the guy who entered last, because it's all on probability. And if you want to know more about this, I will explain more in detail about game theory and probability in my course. So check, just message me and I'll give you the detail later. Anyway, right now there's a huge green bar right now, but it's still trying to coming down lower. Cannot break that red line. So if it cannot break the red line, basically the speed line here at 76.4, I am more inclined to think that it will go down all the way. So if it does break 75 again, 75.5 again, I will close my trade. I will close my trade. Just make sure it's not just a week. So I'll wait for the candle close first before I make a decision. Or maybe I'll just gonna leave it to hit my stop loss and that's about it. Oh yeah, that's not right. That's not right. You're gonna break 75 soon right here. Yeah, you're gonna break 75 right here very soon. Yes, no, maybe. Nope. That is why I'm waiting for the candle to finish before I make any decision. Nope, it's coming back down. It's coming back down. All right. Yeah, it broke. Nope. It's gonna hit my stop loss. I don't have because it's finished in 1 minute. I don't have time to closing it with a smaller stop loss than 200 points. But that's it. I got stop out. 200 point. Another loss for me. Okay. Well, I tried. Here's the thing, though. This has been a good play for me. I would say like right here is a good play for me, because there's a break of structure. There was the buy signal with the long signal. The price jumped right away, breaking it, and I was hoping to get at least 200 to 300 points, which is not out of the ordinary, because it could go back up to retest 80 again if it want to come down. So I have a really high probability of winning this trade. However, like I said, high probability doesn't mean you will win. And this is the best example case of, well, it go up the way I wanted it and break all the way down. And look, it doesn't take more than 10-15 minutes to actually find out the result that this isn't go in your favor. Now, do I look for long? No, because it already broke the EF tunnel line and it is going to come down all the way. So I'm waiting to for more confirmation on the sell signal right at this moment. Now, there we go. When there's SL on the go, actually coming back for oil. Oil had this pullback as well. So let's see if we can pull back to 70.30, and this might be our second trade where we are entering long on oil. So let's see. Let's go. One more play. One more play. Okay, there we go. That's both by long signal and wait for the drop a little bit more. I want to get in and because the spread on this is a little bit high, 200 points, that will be coming down to 300. It will be a little dangerous on display. um I'll give it like 300 points of stop loss instead, but then my profit's gonna have to run. Oh man, I need to make a decision quick here. And let's wait for it to come down a little bit more. Still not, still not coming down far enough. I mean, 17.44 is good, but it's still not coming down far enough. But this is clear sign that I want to play a buy right now. Good, coming down some more. If not, I'll enter it right here. Stop loss 200 points. Coming down, coming down. Let's see it coming all the way down, leaving a bottoming tail. I'm hoping for 474, 70.400. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay, I'm entering it. I'm entering right here. I'm entering right here. This is a little bit dangerous move, but I am entering right here at 738 on my broker, and stop loss will be around 200 points. And oh no, it's free falling. It's a little dangerous. It's a little dangerous play, but I choose to do it anyway, just because I'm a daredevil. No, just because I saw this opportunity and I don't want to be missing it. The price already come down to so much, and I am thinking that this is a really good play right now. Although I do not want to hit the stop loss, I have to always stick to the rules that I am going to have a stop loss and target profit that makes sense. So here we go. If anything happens, well, things Things are leaving it up to chance right now. All right, here we go. Boom, baby. Okay, let's go. Right now I'm at entry. Okay, let's see if it can climb up to the 70.7. We're losing in one, but we hopefully gain on this trade right here. That's another long signal coming in. So let's see. Let's see. The business is booming. I'm hoping because this is a V-shaped recovery, I hope that there will be a nice strong trend that will carry me to 70.7 in the next 15 minutes here. Right now I'm slightly break even. So hopefully we have the buying pressure to push up. Oh, come on. Hopefully we have a buying pressure to push up above 70.50, and if it can, then it definitely going to go to that 70.70. In which case, whatever happens, we already had a stop loss and target profit in place, so we'll see what happens. We'll see. To be honest, I kind of want more than the 300 points, but I'm just gonna stick with this rule for now because I got burned on Friday. No, sorry, not Friday, Tuesday. That it hit 300 points, and I did not want just 300 points, and I want more. And now I'm kind of regretted that I'm leaving that one win out the window. I mean, one win is not that significant, but a win is also a win, and I didn't take that, so I'm kind of feel regret on not following my plan. My plan will be following exactly in order for me to have the expected outcome that I wanted it. So this one, I'm just gonna follow by rules. If it's a loss, it's a loss. If it's a win, then great. So let's go. I just want to see whether it's a win or a loss. That's all I can do for my job. And like I said, if let's say I'm actually losing this challenge, let's say I am over 300 orders and it's still and making my account like I blew my account. Well, like I said, $1,000 is still not much. I could start it again, and this hopefully will be a really great lesson learned before I try on a larger account and holding more responsibility. And right now, this is a winning streak challenge, which, like the word said, is a challenge. So it's not meant to be easy. If it's easy, then I wouldn't call it a challenge. So let's go. Let's see if we can break that 70.50. Right here, this is going to be the break at 70.50. If it can break at 70.50, it will go all the way up to that 70.60 and 70.70. The aim is to target profit of 70.70, but let's see if we can actually make that happen. Things are looking good so far. Went up about 100 point, basically 1/3 of the way there already. Now it just need to break. Okay, Looking good, looking good. Just need to break. Boom! Right there. All right, right here. Come on. Here's the here's the push right there, and just need to push a little bit more up to that 70.6, and possibly go up to like 70.7. After 70.6, I would be more, you know, I'll leave it. I'll leave it. I'll leave it to target. I'll leave it until it hit targets right now. I do want my win. To I have to be honest. I do like my wins, but I have to stick by the rules. Just believe. Just having a nice, good plan, a good play, knowing that anything can happen, and I know it already went up like 100 points. Don't be greedy by it. Let it be. Let it go. It will go up to that 70.7, and I just have to let the play run its course. That's the hardest thing. let the let the order run its course. All right, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on, come on. One more push. Jesus, this is excruciating. Come on, come on. 70.6 right now. All right, all right. Can I get a little bit more? Damn it! Now I'm tempted to get a little bit more. It's gonna reach it. It's gonna reach it. It's gonna reach my target. It's gonna reach my target. It's gonna go way beyond it. Oh, perfect. Done. Having my target hit. Oh, oh, oh. Nice. So all in all, I'm positive of about like you know, one lose, one win, but I'm positive like about $15 because I have that one win. I am I'm tempted to get another 100 points just so it covered my loss on the previous one, and I'll be up like $30. But you know what? I want to stick with this. I want to be as strict to my target as I can so that I don't regret um, missing it. Let's say it punched up to that 70 and then come all the way down. I don't want to have that feelings of I didn't follow the plan. The most important thing is I want to see what it's like to follow the plan exactly. And oh, look at that! Look at that! It just broke. It just hit our target and then come down all the way, like right now. So okay, well we are here for about an hour, and I already hit one loss right here with the goal. Where is it? It's just gone. Anyway, I just hit my stop loss right here with the gold, but I gained another with the oil at 300 points. So all in all, I'm up like $15, and I know it's not a lot. It's nothing exciting. I mean, I play like here it is. I play like $200 $300 every day before. So right now that I am doing this, it is pretty much more pressure for sure, but it's not as much pressure when I consider that, oh, 15 bucks shouldn't be should be nothing, right? But at the same time, I'm out here. I'm not just showing you guys the result where I can go out and trade on my own. It's I'm showing you the result and the process and the way of thinking. Like right here, I might have, because like I say that, oh, it doesn't come down as strong. I might buy it again right here, but it doesn't fall to the plan exactly. My plan exactly would be break of structure, having a long, having a buy, and basically cannot break through this tunnel line. And if it does break, I would be out and control my losses. Right now, I don't have any reason to get in on the position. However, if it were me that traded on my own, I know it's sideways, I would have play another buy right here, another buy here, because I know eventually it will go up. And I lost like 30 bucks. It's nothing. I can lose like 100 more, so I can place another buy easily. But today I want to show you guys the possibilities of follow your plan exactly without any judgment or without any basically tricks and tip and tricks. Like this is going to be by the books, everything going according to plan, and you will see the result, because this is the result that I am aiming for right here. This is my expectation that if I have 200 point of stop loss, 300 point of profit target, and 50% at least for the win rate, I would have, oh, right here. Yeah, about 51, I would have $5,000. If I were to have, oh, I don't know why that didn't happen. Okay, right here. If I were to be slightly lower at 43%, I'm still going to be up a little bit, not by much, but 50% a year, that's still up a lot. So I am, and my win rate is about 55. So at 55%, I would be gaining really huge on this. So I would be at least like, $10,000. And I kind of expected that if we reach $3,000 in this winning streak challenge before we get to the end of the year, or September 8th of 2025, I will be aiming for this, making my $1,000 going to 10 grand in, for the rest of the, basically it's gonna be the bonus round. So hopefully I can get to that bonus round. But in worst case that I have less than 50%, I will still be making like 100% profit on it. So either way, I am looking forward to the result at the end of the year. You guys can join me if you like. Please click like, subscribe, and looking forward to seeing you again at 1 p.m. Sorry, at 7 p.m. every day, Thailand times. Basically, just right before the New York session started. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you guys like, please click like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. And I will see you guys later. Have a profitable day. Goodbye.